One of the great things about smart TVs today is all the different content that you can watch with all the different apps that are available. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Android smart TV. After I show you how to get apps on your TV, I will tell you about 4 recommended apps that you might want to check out that'll give you free movies and TV shows. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your TV is connected to the internet. Then click on the Apps section under the Explore Apps section. Select the Get More Apps option to launch the Play Store. Hover to search the field and type the desired app name and click Go. You can also browse for apps under the Featured and Movies section. Select the app then you want to install from the search results. Click on the Install button and the app will get downloaded and installed on your TV. Here are a few apps that you might want to download. The first app is called Locast. This is great for getting some local TV channels to your TV without paying for cable or using a TV antenna. 3 more free apps to download and check out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. These are all free apps that have a lot of movies, TV shows, and sports channels. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.